Today we got a new shop upgrade, and it's probably the best one I've ever done. So you've seen me light my wood burning stove. Took a lot of attention. I couldn't just turn it on and work. I had to constantly monitor it, make sure it wasn't overflowing, and it just was messy, just kind of a pain, but it was a good cheap heat option for the time being. So this is what I got instead. Installed a 45,000 BTU unit heater. Filmed the process of running the underground gas line, and I had to trench quite a bit to it, so I'll show you all that. I'm gonna mark this out, cut it with a concrete saw, and then sledgehammer it out. And I'm making it wide enough for the shovel, so I'm gonna get that marked up and cut out. Okay, I've got the trench cut out. This right here is like, I don't know, 8 inches thick versus 4 inches. So got it all chipped out and hauled off. And next will be trenching the yard. And hopefully it will go through the frost line. Alright, started trenching. A guy I work with borrowed this to me. Super grateful for that. Going pretty good. It's still really frozen. I'm down 8 inches, so the chain was pretty loose, so I got it tightened up with a little bit of slack. So it's way looser than that, so I'll give it a go and see how tightening it did. Trench done. It's a little crooked, but I got some squirrely pipe. Turned out pretty good. There's a couple potatoes. That one there. Into my meter. I'll be getting the pipe laid in and then backfill with some sand, and then I'll get the heater all hung up and plumbed in. I'm excited. Got all the pipe laid. And now I'm going to start backfilling. So I took my dump trailer, went and got 3 yards of sand. I'm going to put that around the pipe first, and that'll help protect it from any rocks penetrating it or anything like that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna backfill it with sand. right into the meter. Got it all backfilled. This summer I'll plant some seed over it. But now we have gas to the gym, which is gonna be so nice. And then the shop. I'm gonna go get the skid steer started. It's freezing cold today. It's like, I don't know, 18 degrees or something. So I got my jump box because I'm pretty sure it's too dead to start on its own. Let it warm up for a while. Hung it with unistrut. Just went out the wall horizontally. And yeah, pretty simple really. If you are considering a unit heater, it was so worth it.